তো আপনারা ওই ভিডিওটা দেখলে অনেক মজা পাবেন। তো আমি এখনো বানাই নাই, আমি একটু বানাবো। আমি রোবলক্স ভিডিও বানাবো, ওটা আমি এখনই ছাড়বো না, একটু দেরি করে ছাড়বো। আবার এটা কোন ঘর? ওয়াও, নতুন। ওয়াও, এটা ঠিক আছে। ওয়াও, এটা নতুন পাইছি। গাইস আপনিও দেখতে পারেন, আপনাদের কাছে আছে নাকি? এটা নতুন লাগতেছে। দেখি না এটা। Hi, I'm a friend of
such, so used to spinners working their way.
আরে মোবাইল চার্জ দেই তো মোবাইল দেখো দেখছো গাইস
Someone who bowls at 145, 150 even.
এটা মাঝখানে কি আসবে?
Hugely exciting. That's someone good as well to add to that.
Guys, so we are going to move to so guys, just give me a moment to go. What is this? আম্মু নেড়ে দিছে ছেলে দিল আচ্ছা
Present a quick impressive teamers. Well, that's always been impressive and enjoyable. And we've had one thing to celebrate, and that is enjoy the party.
Yeah, when you look at a cricket team, you look at the balance of the side, and you break it down into top order batters, middle order batters, lower order, and of course bowling quartet. If you look at Bangladesh's team, it's pretty much covered on all bases. Very rarely have I seen a batting lineup that has the strength and depth of this one. You spoke about Lytton Dust, you spoke about Mandy Miraz. I mean, imagine having those two guys coming in down the order. It's a real luxury. You had the two at the crease at the moment, so not only have you got strength, but you've got maturity and experience. That's the man of the first innings. My word, did he play well? Exceptional innings, world-class innings. And then you look at the bowling, which we've touched on, of course, but Naheed Rana with that pace, and we see the impact that it's had, particularly in this series. You know, it's not always visible sometimes. Yes, it was in the first innings because he took 4 wickets and bowled outstandingly well. But I think when he's not taking wickets, that's where you don't always see
guys Tommy
how that can affect
Yeah,
the
bolo.
course of a game.
আজকে ভিডিও পর্যন্ত আমি আজকে
Naheed
মতো
Rana, very
খেলতে মন চাচ্ছি
different
না
types of bowlers, but
তো আমি আজকে ভিডিও পর্যন্ত দেখবো থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং এন্ড লিসেনিং